Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Dreadlocks. I'm Gunther the Great, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do a rattlesnake dreadlock. This is something that I feel like I've made up. Maybe it's something that's already out, but I don't know if there's any name for it yet. But all I do is comb out a little bit of the tip of the dreadlock as much as you want, and then you braid the tip, and it really looks just like a rattlesnake. So that's why it's called Rattlesnake Dreadlocks. So I selected just one dreadlock that I wanted to do, then I pulled the rest of the hair back, and then first sprayed the water onto my dreadlock, and then I combed the tip out. And then I comb probably about 2 inches. You could comb out 3 inches and it looks great. I think it was actually 3 inches that I combed out of the dreadlock. And this combs out really easy. The tips of the dreads always comb out really easy. So once you got the tip combed out, make sure the hair is pretty damp because you're gonna start braiding the hair. So get 3 sections of that tip, and then all you do now is braid that hair. And then once you got the hair braided, you can either leave it without a rubber band at the tip. My hair tends to stay into a braid. And then the cool thing about it is that it actually swirls up at the bottom. But if you want, you can actually put a rubber band at the bottom if your hair doesn't stay in a braid that well. And that's literally how you do a rattlesnake dreadlock.